Hey everybody, it's your girl Allison with Kouture Nail Bar, back again with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Yes, go ahead and subscribe so you can know when my videos drop. You gotta watch out for my videos, right? If you're a Kouture cutie already, yes, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. But yes, like, share, and subscribe. This video I'm about to do is just a quick little comparison between the Madam Glam cat eye polish and the DND cat eye polish. So what I have right here is the Spirit in the Sky polish by Madam Glam. I also have Parisian Night, and by DND I have the Puma Eyes. And also for DND, I have the Night Hunter. So first of all, as you can tell, I love green, right? Green is like my favorite color. So I have this green and this like bluish green here. I'm gonna test these colors up against my pink and purples, and let's get started. So of course you're gonna need a black bottom coat, right? So I've already given that like a cute little stir. And I'm gonna polish this real quick. I'm gonna lay this black on. Sometimes you gotta, especially for darker polishes, darker gel polishes, you gotta put down a thin coat, or else it'll wrinkle up when you try to cure it. It'll wrinkle up, and we don't want no wrinkles, y'all. We don't want no wrinkles. Okay. All right, so that's that. Pick this up. Go ahead and start on the next one. And for any when I do like demonstrations on fake nails or something, what do I like to do? I like to I like to brush from like starting in the middle and just brush all the way to the edge. Rather than starting all the way by the cuticle area, where we're supposed to be the cuticle area, and brushing all the way down. Because I don't want any polish to be, you know, underneath or behind or in the back. I guess that's underneath. I don't want the polish to be clumped up underneath the nail, you know? So when I do my press-ons or any fake nail, just to get that nice even spread, I like to start in the middle. Put that back down. And there we go. Nice thin coat. All right, so now these are out of the lamp. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Spirit in the Sky by Madam Glam. I'll take this one to my right and go ahead and apply that polish. But this is nice and thick. I love polishes with the short bristles. I love that for whatever reason. I'm not sure why, but I love that. All right, so I'm gonna paint that on. Well, this is pretty. And I don't think this black is dry, so I'm gonna put this in my lamp, the other three. Put that in there for about 15 more seconds. But anyways, I'm gonna go back to polishing this. This looks nice. So this is nice and thick. You don't need a lot. Oh my goodness. And the color is everything. Okay, so now I'm about to grab this magnet right here. Put this down real quick. I got 2 magnets, and of course they'll be stuck together. All right, so I got them out. And now this is where the magic begins. I got my magnet. I'm gonna hold it over the nail, like in a diagonal way, and move it back and forth just a little bit. And, ooh, that's hot. Maybe again. Maybe again down here. No, okay. I'm gonna just leave it like that. I'm just leave it like that. That's pretty. Okay. So, I am going to get the rest out. Come back out. So I just grab the rest. I'm gonna sit this down. Put them back in. We'll let that cure for about 15 seconds. That's really nice though. Nice shade of purple. It's nice and shimmery. It's very thick. You can see the actual color. So I'm happy with that. That's a good polish. That's a good cat eye. And here's the result. That's pretty. All right, next is the Parisian Night. And we'll go ahead and paint that on. Ooh, look. So that's a bit too much polish. Because remember, these are pretty thick. These are thick, man. All right. All right, so I have enough. I have enough. And now I'm gonna just, oh my gosh. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Turn that around. Paint the opposite direction. Get on in there. Oh, this is hot. This is hot stuff right here. Okay. Now, here comes the magnet. Oh, man. That's what's up. You know, I wonder if I paint it again, I wonder if this spirit in the sky will show up a little bit more. Cause it look a little dull now, right? So I'm gonna put this in my lamp, 15 seconds. And then we're gonna try that spirit in the sky again. And then we're gonna move on to the DND. So I'm taking them out. And uh-oh, one of them fell, but that's okay. So that's the result of that one. That looks good. I like that a lot. So again, I wanted to do this one over. So let me put this down, open this back on up. And we'll put some more on there. That's pretty. So I don't think it takes forever for the polish to dry. Nice even coats. This brush is really good. But anyways, I have nice even coats, nice and shiny. I'm gonna go in with this magnet again. Ooh, pretty. Okay. So it did show up a little bit better this time. Yes. Okay. So then I'll put this back down and we'll go ahead and throw this in. So let me close these polishes up before I knock them over. I'm very clumsy, y'all. I would knock these over. So now that these are closed, let me show you so you can get a good look. Madam Glam 5D Cat Eye Gel Polish. Yes. You got the Parisian Night. You got the Spirit in the Sky. I ordered these, I think last week, and they finally came. And I mean, so far so good. This polish, nice and thick. Great gel polish to work with. Nice short bristles. Soft bristles. These are really nice. I like these polishes. And the cat eye looks good. I can't wait to top coat those. All right, so of course we have one missing. One would fall off, right? So I'm just gonna put this back on. Press it down real good so it won't come up anymore. And now we're gonna go ahead and try the D&D. So this is the Puma eyes. And keep that there. Pick this one up. Now the D&D polishes, some of the D&D polishes have the short bristles. Unlike this one, this is pretty long compared to, I don't know if you can see it, compared to anything else. You still can't see it. But anyways, yeah, that's better. It focused. But yes, it's a longer brush. It's a longer bristle, excuse me, than the Madam Glam. But you know, it's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. And this is pretty thin, easier to work with. Not easier to work with, but it's easy to work with. Yeah. It's not as thick as the Madam Glam. Goes on pretty smooth. Let's check this cat eye. Hold that magnet over. And what do we have? I like that. All right, let's put her in. Okay, so I already had the Puma eyes. I've had these, or this one for about 2 weeks. Now I just bought the Night Hunter. I just bought this. When did I buy this? 2 days ago? 2 days ago. Just bought this. Haven't tried it out yet. I haven't even looked at the color inside, but I know it's green. I love green. We're gonna see how this one works. And if it looks how I think it would look, that's gonna be my next set. So I'm about to open this one up. Polish this good old nail. Oh, yes. This right here. This. That's what I want. Oh, that's what I want. Okay. So let me go ahead and polish this nail. Oh, look at that green. Oh, this is a beautiful green, y'all. Beautiful. All right, so again, just like most D&D polishes, it's not thick. You got a longer bristle or a longer brush. It's not thick, so you can add on as much polish as you want to. Nice and runny for you. You got that control though. So it's not too runny, but oh yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that. All right, so I'm going with my magnet. And, ooh, that's nice and shimmery. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. 15 seconds, right? 15 seconds, 15 seconds. These came out really nice. Oh my gosh. Look, if you're looking for a cat eye polish, I recommend both Madam Glam and D&D. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.